What is going on, everyone? It's your boy here, and welcome to Gloomy Dungeons Pro. And this is some awesome music. I wish you guys could see me dancing. Sadly, I don't have a camera, but in the future I will. I'm really rocking out. Yeah. Gloomy Dungeons. It's like one of those games where you're a person, and you have to go from room to room and fight these monsters. I think. Maybe I watched the pictures, but I think that's it. Ugh. Okay, tutorial, kills, okay. Let's go. Download error. I wonder what that's for. This is amazing. Wow. Guys, and look at the animations. This is amazing. This is like turn left. I don't know left. Yeah. Which door? What is this place? Okay, open the door, just go through it. Whoa! To activate the switch, go up to him as close as possible. Wait. Go up to who? Whoa. I don't like this. To activate the switch, go up as him as possible. This is who. Okay. But how do I activate the switch? Up to him as close as possible. So I just knocked it out. And oh jeez, can I shoot a glass? Guys, look at the animation. This is like old school. Hold on. This is like really old school. Yeah, I got a chip. Where do I go now? Oh my God! What the? I get hurt. Duh! It is a one-shot kill. Ammo. Where am I supposed to go now? I don't like the sound of that. Jesus Christ! Ah! You die! Ah! Wait, hold on. Okay, I might get hit a little bit, but this is like a flat animation. Activation locked, hands in. That's like a really flat animation. Look at these. Oh God, they're all blood. Oh jeez. What happened to this guy? The one next to my controller. What's this? Oh my God. Oh, I swear I saw a little monster. Secret found. Oh yeah, now let's continue. I swear these were monsters, but these are people. Unlock, blah blah blah. Close as possible. Ugh. Kills 100. Gains 100. Secrets 100 times 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Yay! You know, when everything was going dark, I thought, what's going on? Episode 1. Okay, let's go. I like this game. I really like it. Just I can't really look up and down. What are those things? Oh, I swear they're giant monsters. In a game like this. Oh shit! Turn is terrible in this. What's this? Really? Oh God! Walk forward. Really? Oh wait, that's nothing. I don't like that. Who's behind me? What the frick is that? Oh, it's. I wanna go close. Headshot. This guy takes 2 shots. Wait. I saw shotgun bullets. Jeez, guys. Okay, where am I supposed to go? Ew. Ah! That really scared me. Ugh. I'm terrible at this. And the music's really classy. Oh God. It looks really scary how that guy's standing in the dark there, but these guys are straight hits. I'm not even aiming at the guy and I'm hitting him. Ow! Oh jeez, there's a lot of guy. Oh God, I'm dying. Get wrecked, whoever you are. Headshot. I'm not even aiming at his head. I won the shotgun. Okay. 3, 2, 1. So there'll be enemies. Mission complete already? Maybe I'm too much of a boss. Still episode 1. Around the room. Let's go. Yay! Ah! Ah, who's shooting me? Who's shooting me? Oh, jeez. I can't see. I can't see. Who? Oh, wait, these guys. Right. Ah, 6. Oh, God. Where do you think you're going? I'm a terrible aim at this. Aim properly. Ah! Even though I'm good. Guys, are you seeing this? Is it just me or am I seeing things? It's the shotgun life. You all may have shotguns, but I got one too. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. What's this? Holy crap. Secret phone. Wait, if that is secret. Oh, wait. Where the hell am I supposed to go then? That's a secret. Where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to be following this arrow out to go back? If there are any monsters here, no. Let's do this. Oh jeez, what the hell? What the hell is that? You see, this is the thing I'm worried about. I rather fight men than these things. Look how creepy. This game is creepy already. You see, look, it's turning there like a, that's like a flat animation. Kills, yay! Ah. With the shotgun, I will rule. Okay. 2 lives. Oh, this. Oh, something tells me this is not gonna be nice. Oh my jeez! Ah! Doom! 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 Ah! Doom! 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 Life! Ah! Ah! Wait, hold on. Let me check my mic. Hold on, guys. Let me fix my mic for a second. You guys must be wondering, why is my mic always going bad? Well, wait a second. Life. Oh, I picked it up right. Wait a second. No! Boom! 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 Let's go! Bad idea! I'm about to die! Don't you dare. Oh, someone's else shooting me. Oh god, who? Everyone, if you're in a game like this, don't just run to rooms. Especially for a giant ass cobra. Jesus Christ! Come to the door. Boom! One by one you die. I know what you guys must be thinking. This is a lot of cheating. But I ain't going down. Oh jeez, this is a lot of men. You know what? I'm gonna stick like this. Sorry for cheating. Normal. Okay, let's go. I'm a lousy shot. Yeah. Wait, I shot all these guys in the back here? Didn't even notice. Maybe because I'm too much of a boss. Oh, what the hell was that? Heard a loud monster. Oh, there's a giant snake! And it's not even attacking the men. Back to cheat mode. Come on. Don't you guys not like my cheat mode? No, of course they don't. Why would they even like it? It's coming. Oh, Jesus! It's really a giant snake. I gotta take care of this snake first. Oh, God. That's scary as balls. Where you going, snake? Don't run without a fight. Is he scared? He's like, he's too powerful. I'm about to die. Well, guess what, snake? You are. Die already. Jesus. Do you guys have some kind of chip in him? Oh god, I'm about to die. I'm a terrible shot. Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this mission. Wait a second. That's right, baby. Oh, 0%. I forgot to look for a secret. 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Well, at least I did good, right? That was amazing. I really like this. This is a really good game. Gloomy Dungeons, everyone. If you play it for yourself. It's harder than it looks. The controls are harder than it looks. Well, the controls isn't hard. It's the way how I program it. It's a really nice game. But monsters, dude, that's creepy enough in this kind of version. Creepy. But anyways, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe button, comment button, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.